All right, howdy y'all. Let me make sure this is actually live on Facebook on my phone. Cool, it is. So, it's been a minute. I haven't been on one of these in a few weeks, so bear with me. I might be a little bit rusty, but welcome to our weekly social media show. Let me go ahead and get the tab shared as well. I can. There we go. All right. So this week we're going to be talking about Facebook tips to help grow your business. So obviously Facebook is a great resource for small businesses to reach their current and potential new customers. So I'm just going to go over a few little quick tips to help you get the most out of that. So let's just dive in. Number one is going to be, well, there we go. Number one, plan ahead and save time. So if you are a small business owner, chances are you don't have a lot of extra time, and whatever extra time you do have, you're probably not going to be spending it on social media. So for this, I would suggest using either the Facebook Business Suite or even just based on your Facebook page. You can go in and like schedule posts ahead of time. So what I'll tell a lot of people to do is just maybe pick a day or two out of the month to just sit down and kind of plan out everything for the following few weeks, plan out all your content, plan out when you're going to post it, and just kind of plan out any promotions you're going to have. So like I said, a really useful thing to do is just to schedule post out. You don't have to create a post and post it immediately. You can, if you go to your Facebook page and go to create a post like you would any other time, all you have to do is at the bottom right, as you can see in this little image here, where it says publish, there should be a drop-down arrow, and you can select schedule post, and from there you can just pick any date, any time, date that you want in the future, and it'll just go out automatically. And that should save you a lot of time, especially like I said, if you kind of just pick one day to plan everything out and get everything posted, you don't have to worry about it for the rest of the month. You don't have to worry about it again for another 30 days or however long until you plan your next cycle for your posts. So for tip number two is going to be posts when your audience is active. So there's no kind of like one size fits all time for when everyone is on Facebook. Different people are on Facebook at different times. One audience for like a clothing store probably be different than an audience for a restaurant. Clothing store might be busy at different times of the day, or people who I guess interact with those social media pages are going to be on at different times of day. So there is a quick and easy way to find out when your audience is active. All you have to do is go to, here, I'll put up the image. Go to your audience insights, and to do this, you just go to your business's Facebook page, and on the left-hand side, like in this first image here on the left, there will be a menu of a bunch of different things. You scroll down till you see insights, and then you click on that, and then it'll bring you to this image on the right. It'll give you a bunch of different options under page insights, and from there you just select posts. And once you select posts, it'll come up, show you a little graph of when all your fans are online. So you can see, at any given day, how many people are typically online, and then for that day, you can see times. So you can see if your audience is online, maybe more in the afternoon, maybe more lunchtime, maybe more in the morning, things like that, and kind of select the best times to post so that you're not sending posts out to nobody, basically. So yeah, bring us to our next tip. It's going to be post content that is valuable to your audience. So this will look different for many different businesses. Obviously, if you're in like a clothing store, you're going to post a lot of maybe just items that you carry, items that you sell, maybe different kind of fit videos, or just putting together outfits for different products that you offer. If you're a restaurant, you may post pictures of your food, pictures of the menu, pictures of the indoors, like just the atmosphere to kind of entice people to come. And here, I wouldn't be afraid to try new things. It's always good to kind of like test new ideas out, because you never know what might stick or what might work. Taco Tuesdays is a real thing. Everyone loves eating tacos on a Tuesday, but if your audience is an audience made of people like me, tacos on a Friday. So maybe try posting some kind of special about tacos on a Friday. You might find out that's when a lot more people, want to do that, or posting different kind of fit videos that would, or pictures or outfits that, people wouldn't typically think to put together, things like that. And that'll be a good way to reach new audience members, but to reach a new audience, then to kind of engage your current audience. So yeah, so there's just a few quick tips on how to get the most out of Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at tim@uglymugmarketing.com. Questions about this, questions about anything else done with Facebook, or questions about what I like to eat on my tacos. Doesn't matter to me, or what other days I like to eat other food. I'm always available, so just reach out. But that's all I've got for now. I will see y'all next time.